Let's see. Since they are cells, do you know why they don't just draw blood to test people for cancer? Is it because they hide as good cells? Good question. Let me answer that for you. So, first, we need to talk about what biopsies are. So, this is a medical procedure when the doctor takes samples of either tissue, so say you have a lump somewhere and they need to test whether or not the lump is cancerous. They take biopsies of that. Bone marrow, if you have, say, there's something wrong with your bones, they're weak, they're frail, they might take a bone marrow sample to test whether or not that has any cancerous properties. But then what you're talking about is a liquid biopsy. So to answer your question, yes, they can take blood. And they do take blood, and they have been doing it quite often. So they can either take blood, urine, uh, saliva, or breast milk to then test whether or not there is any properties of cancer. So in those biopsies, they're testing for these things called biomarkers. So biomarkers are either proteins, antibodies, types of mutated DNA that are in your samples that tells the physician whether or not you have cancer or the presence of cancer or the presence of any kind of disease, really, and then the severity of that disease. So yes, blood can be used as a way to detect whether or not there is the presence of cancer. Now, can they hide as good cells? No, not really, but they can evade the immune response. But that's a whole other conversation. Hope this helps.